in refrigerator roulette, and then here was Sky. So Sky, tell him the rule. So basically,
we have to take either a spoonful of something or a shot glass kind of or something.
Like this, guys.
Is there another one there? Yeah.
It's like small. Yeah, that one.
No, that's not the same. That's not the same. My knuckles. I hate that kind of sound. Oh my god.
Oh, that was the quarter though. Okay, so we either need to do this, one of these, or so this is what the spoonful is gonna be.
Okay.
Yeah, so we got the spoons and the shot glass. So let's get started. So we are both gonna go decide on something in the fridge to eat.
No. I pick you something, you pick me something.
Yeah, let's do that.
I'll let you pick first, I guess.
And I made this snow at school. No.
I'm not eating that.
Yeah, it's made
It's
out
probably
of,
chemicals.
yeah, made out of
You was that?
I don't know, which is why I picked it.
I think it's salsa mixed with the guacamole.
Your turn, Sky. Pick me something.
Ew, it looks like puke.
Let me see it.
It smells kind of good.
Dip.
The cherries?
Yeah, that's
Oh, darn it. I already chose it. Oh. Gosh darn it, I thought you didn't like these. You might not, though.
You ready?
Oh,
gross. You ready?
is that good enough?
Yeah, that's good. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Mmm. That is good. Oh, that's good.
It doesn't taste bad, it's just the texture.
That is good. I was able to start it down. 1 point for me. If you can. 1 point for her, 1 point for me. Okay, let's put the stuff.
That was disgusting. Ew. Just take on. Just look at that.
Oh.
It's kind of spicy too because it has salsa in it.
Okay. Got the item.
Parmesan, yes.
Kind of in it. Do you want a shot glass?
No, just the spoon.
Okay. What is it?
Hold on. Hold on.
Scared, I'm scared. It's a lemon, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a lemon. Wait, oh.
No, hold on. We gotta pour you a glass.
Give me a shot glass. Oh, guys, don't get it right.
I wish we were doing this over the sink.
Why aren't you? How come you're always taking...
Parmesan cheese.
Yeah.
Because I've used drinks for this. This isn't a drink.
Ready? Cheers.
Oh, I thought we were
No.
That wasn't that bad.
Kind of glad I picked it for you.
Yeah. Okay guys, so what we got here is we got that stuff. It's green, it's like a yellow greenish color. It looks pretty gross.
I have mine. Oh,
I can't eat an egg.
I thought they were boiled.
No. Wait, are they at the bottom?
They were in the bowl.
Okay, yeah, then they're boiled. We're
Wait,
fine.
what the heck is that?
Creamy mocha tea.
Gross! Wait, I back out.
You have to try. Okay.
No.
And then I get a point.
Yeah, you get another point because I backed out.
Let's hope that this is hard boiled. Ow.
Oh, you know what we should do next?
It is.
The egg roulette challenge. We should do next.
I don't know.
Yeah. Okay, so she peels her egg. Look at the inside. Look at the inside. Gross.
It's white.
It's gross.
No, it's kind of yellow. It's gonna take forever. I'm almost done halfway there. Oh.
Yeah, you know you don't. You don't. It's gonna take forever. Okay, no. Just throw it away. Okay, I have the next item. Butter butts. 50% less sodium, no fat, no charcoal.
Ooh. Some little horseradish.
Oh no! No.
Horseradish.
Gross. I'm not doing that. I cannot do that. I'm not doing horseradish.
Horseradish. You're not?
No, I can't.
Okay, then I'm not doing that.
Okay. So neither of us can play. Okay. Nice one.
Oh.
That smells disgusting.
You wouldn't even want to try a little bit with me at least?
No.
I never had it before. Not even this? I'm trying it because I don't know.
That smells disgusting.
Oh my god! Oh yeah, I totally forgot it's extra hot. Oh my god, it's burning.
Get water! Get them!
Alright, take this away. I'm going to get water.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Oh, then you are not doing like this.
Okay. Got one. No! I chose you something good.
Wait, no, I hate hurting you.
Yeah.
No!
Spoonful? Yep. Okay.
Spoonful. I hate honey yet.
I love honey.
Okay. Oh, good. Okay. Okay. That's good.
Ooh, hurry, take it.
Oh, disgusting.
Yeah, right. Look at what I'm gonna eat, a freaking onion.
You don't have to. Oh, gross.
I'm going to though, because you did that, so.
Gross. Oh,
You have to finish the whole
so
thing.
gross. I do?
Yep.
Mm.
Hurry, it's dripping. You gotta eat it. Hurry. You gotta do it in front of the camera though. Charlie, it's dripping.
I'm not. No, I'm not.
Okay.
I can't. It's too gross. What do I do?
So what do you want me to do? Take a bite of this?
Yeah, you just have to take a giant bite.
Okay.
No, not really like that.
I thought it was I thought it was the outside of it, so I didn't know. Okay, here we go. Not that bad at all. It just tastes like water. Nope, there's onion.
Oh, gross.
I can't do this. Oh my gosh, why did they're like spicy kind of, like both of them were.
Okay, I'm gonna
Water.
do our next item.
Oh, that's disgusting, onion. Ew, how did Jace do that in my video?
Like, Jace did that?
Yeah?
Oh my god.
I can't remember if he swallowed it. No, he didn't swallow
Oh, this is a good one.
it. Okay. Hopefully I can do something good.
Oh no.
Mayo!
Butter!
I'm not doing that.
Oh.
Are you doing this? Come on, Charlie, we gotta do something.
No. This is easy. Correct. Hey, Sky. Wait, 1 second. Where is it? Oh, there's no joke.
What?
Isn't there usually a joke?
Okay, we got some zesty salsa.
Oh, hey, I'm nice to you.
You didn't have to be.
Here, I'm gonna pour this for you. Where is it?
Do you want your spoon? You only have to eat a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit. Oh, that's good.
That's what Charlie has to eat. Wait, is this this is strawberry.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really like strawberry.
Gross. 3?
I only like strawberry
Cheers.
milk. No, what are you doing? Oh, the freaking cheer. Okay, go.
Oh.
This is gross. I'm so happy.
That is hot. That is so hot. Oh my god.
Should we both do something bad and we both have to drink it? Like a liquid? Aw, why? We gotta make this video exciting.
Oh, I like this one.
Do something exciting though.
It is.
Oh, no. I don't know if you...
This is kind of a liquid, so I'm gonna pour it in your cup. Ketchup!
Oh yeah, I like ketchup. Pickles.
Yay! Okay, I'm gonna pour you.
You know what's the best? What? Ketchup and pickles.
Oh, you know what's the best?
can't
Ketchup and
open this.
macaroni and cheese.
Kind of. Jeez, Charlie. Oh my god.
What?
It's a full shot glass of that.
Give me some of those pickles and
Watch out.
give me some of that out. And some of that juice. Oh, where's the juice?
There you
Oh,
go.
but I like the juice. Oh, that's so full. About to smell. You ready?
Yep.
Cheers.
This isn't that good.
You pour me another shot?
He's afraid. That's better.
You pour me another shot?
So let's do the outro now while we're eating.
Well,
That's the end of the video as we eat or drink our stuff.
like, subscribe, and comment what you like to see next. Peace.